So in today's video, I will be showing you this particular company, all right, that are currently hiring now. Now, what are they hiring for? They are company that book flight for travelers, others, travelers, foreign people, and all of that. So you help the company to book flights. That is the people they are looking for, and you must be fluent in English, all right, and you must have knowledge about customer service. Okay, even though what you want to do or what you're about to do is not basically customer service, but it's still kind of, and they want you to have an idea of it. All right. So, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the registration process and how it goes. Now, the first step is for you to register with your Google, and then put in your basic information. And after that, you need to complete some questions they're going to ask you. And after that question, then you're going to pass through an assessment test. Once you pass the assessment test, then you are going to undergo training. And after the training, good, you're good to go. And it's basically online. All right, you book flights for people, and then the company pays you. Remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This you might apply. I'm not guaranteeing that they're going to accept you, right? You just need to try your luck. This is a work from home job opportunity. All right, so once they reach the maximum number of people they want, they will stop hiring. And if you fall into that category that they don't want, or maybe you did not pass the assessment test, or you are not qualified, you might not get the job. So just try to put in your best and apply rightly. But I'm going to show you the registration process and everything. So guys, let's dive into the registration process. Now, do you like my hair, guys? I wash my hair and I part it like this, Okay, so tell me in the comment section, do you like it and how do you see my hair? Okay, this is a virgin hair actually, so you people should give me a shout out. You people should clap for me. It's not easy to keep a virgin hair. Okay, guys, so this is the registration process. So after you click on that link in the pinned comment of this video, it takes you to this interface. All right, so you can see freelance job as an independent travel manager. The next thing for you to do is to click here, join us today. So it takes you to this interface. You click on it, log in through Google. Okay, so this is a sign up process, as you can see. Okay, country of residence, Nigeria. Nigeria. Then city of residence, Lagos. 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 Okay, then phone number. You're gonna put your phone number. Okay, now the next thing is something about yourself. Okay, about yourself. So years of sales or support experience. Okay, then your sales or customer care industry. Okay, gonna click on this. Then now another thing is not possibly, or sorry, it's not necessarily mean you must choose this, so you can look for the one, okay, that's best suitable to you. It doesn't matter, you can click this customer care stroke b bpo. So it doesn't mean you must actually choose what I choose. No, no, no. So you can choose customer care BPO support, you understand, or B2P SaaS insurance. So whichever one that best suits you. Okay. Okay, now level, educational level. Okay, your English level. If you choose advanced, fine, but I'm choosing native. Okay, then we're going to continue. Let's see if you are a good match. Okay, now this is where you need to select rightly. All right, so Dreamport's eligibility test. Please provide your honest answer to let us assess if you are proper match for becoming part of our Dreamport. Okay, are you open to a commission-based structure that relies on closing sales? Yes. To be able to provide your services to our clients, you need to have a PC or laptop. Do you have the required equipment? I'm going to click yes. Okay. So to be able to provide our services to our customers, you need a quiet place so you can stay focused while driving our services. While delivering our services, do you have a suitable workspace? Yes. 4. Is your internet connection stable? And does it have a speed of at least 20 Mbps? Yes. To qualify, you must not be on any sanction list and should have no criminal conviction in the last past 5 years. Please confirm your compliance with these requirements. Yes. Please, if you, sorry guys, if you have any sanction or any criminal case within the last 5 years, please don't click yes or click no. Okay. Then we submit. Okay, page is loading. Now we are on the assessment test. All right. So they said, we are grateful for your interest in joining Dreamport. And this is it. You will need to pass several steps to become a part of Dreamport freelancers. First, we invite you to undergo a general knowledge assessment. You will have 20 minutes to complete it. Please start it at the convenient moment, as assessments must be completed in one go. So you see, there's nothing like you fail the test, you are coming back again to do it. It's at one sitting. You understand? So you try all your possible best to make sure you pass the test. All right. Okay, so after we were done, we are actually done with the quiz and we passed it. I wanted to show you guys when we passed the quiz, but I forgot to record that part. So we're done with the quiz and we score 80, all right, which is a good mark for us. Anything below 70, I don't think they're going to accept you here. So after that, we have passed the assessment test. Now we are moving ahead to our training, all right. So this training program will be your guide into the world of independent travel manager. So this is it, and then you will now start your training. So this is how basically it is. Okay, so if you like this video, have you thumbs up? Okay, thumbs up and like this video and subscribe. All right, so you can see, I can't say it is easy, it's not. All right, so you try your luck and see if you're going to pass the test. And if you are in my community, I think you have a higher chance to pass this test, only if you are in my community. All right, because I'm going to give you the tips on how to pass this test. All right, so guys, apply for this job and make sure you have a PC. Okay, PC, laptop, or even iPad. All right, so that's how it's going to be. And if you are moving ahead to this training, I will advise you to put your phone on desktop mode so that everything can be seen on the screen. If you put it like this, like the way this one is now, it's not going to, everything is not going to display on the screen. All right, and that is why they said that if you're assessing this, you should use PC so that everything can display well and all of that. Okay, so after the training, you are not advisable, especially this third one, which is the pre-live, where you are going to be seeing their personnel one-on-one on video. That shows you need a PC. So if you don't have a PC and you don't even have access to one or somebody you could borrow, then I don't think this job is actually for you. Okay, so and this is all about you and your career. Imagine you are booking flight for somebody. All right, you could imagine how much you can be making there. All right, so even if you don't have a PC, I will urge you to ask your friends, borrow. If I just basically, you know what to do to get a PC so that this job will not pass you by. All right, this is not a financial advice, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but it is profitable if you follow the rules, follow the guideline, and it can actually bring you up to the limelight. All right, so thank you for watching. If you have not please do well to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Is very, very important so that when incredible videos such as this comes up, YouTube will not fail to notify you. Join my community, either my Telegram or my WhatsApp. All the link is going to be in the pinned comment or in the description. I believe it's going to be in the pinned comments, right? So that it can be easier for you to see and use it to access my community. All right, guys, catch you later. Bye.